On today's episode, we are going to show you a simple way of how to make berry and banana pancakes. For the ingredients, we are going to use pancake mix, milk, butter. For fruit, we are going to use strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. We will also need pancake syrup. Let's begin by pouring our pancake mix inside the mixing bowl. Next, pour the milk in like so. Now, let's mix the batter using a wire whisk. Keep mixing it until you get a nice smooth consistency. Then, we are going to add strawberries, bananas, and blueberries. Then we'll mix it all together. Let's set the batter aside and prepare the stove. Let's fire it up and place the pan on the top. Let the pan warm up, and we will put a tablespoon of butter. Spread the butter around and be sure to have your flame in low heat to avoid burning. Now let's prepare the batter. We will use a ladle to scoop the batter onto the pan. Let's wait for a couple minutes until the top side starts to bubble. Then, we are going to flip it to brown the opposite side. Once cooked, we are going to plate it. Repeat the process until you build a stack. Then we're going to top it off with butter and pour some syrup. And we are done.